is the cultural barrier.
Now I'm going to talk about the cultural barrier that the Decker group is facing right now. The first one is some Hong Kong staff complain that they are not familiar with the Australian films, while the Decker group keep ordering a lot of Australian films for their rental service. And the second one is some staff are not used to the informal atmosphere in the office. In other words, they want to use a last name basis policy in their workplace. And the third one is some staff can't stand the food in the staff restaurant. They want more vegetables instead of the many dairy products. And there is no Cantonese food at all. So here are some practical actions to improve this situation. The first one is we can hold an Australian film seminar where the Hong Kong staff and the Australian staff can exchange their ideas, their thoughts about what Australian films they are going to ordering. And thus the Hong Kong staff can learn more about the Australian films. And the second is the Decker group can still insist on their first name basis policy in their workplace, but they need to communicate more with their Hong Kong staff by telling them what advantage will be
to use the first name basis policy. For example, they can say it can increase more team spirit between their staff. And the last one is we must have both Cantonese and Australian cuisine served in the staff restaurant because it's more fair. And also, or we can introduce the fusion cuisine in the staff restaurant. So what is the fusion cuisine? It means it's a creative dish or a new dish that combines two different styles. In their cases, they can combine Cantonese and Australian into one dishes and serve it in the staff restaurant.
Okay, I'm going to talk about the management style. And some employees said that the things change too fast, like the computer system. Some of them didn't how to use them, and so this make them doing their work inefficiently. And they also say that they don't have enough time to fit in. And there is another problem is that information asymmetry. And someone said that they even do not know who the boss is, and then they didn't know the company's strategy. And there is some solution. First, companies should provide a learning curve for the staff. Let them to learn the new computer system, how to use them, and they should announce the change earlier, so the employee can have enough time to adapt and learn. And the third one is companies should make sure to provide information on new things, like the strategy. They can send mail to the employees, let them know what company should do in this month, or announce the information at meetings. That's all.
Okay, and some employees complain that the most of the management job have been given to Australian in the email, and they think it is wrong that all of the management position have been given to foreigner after the merger of the company, and it is unfair. I think they may feel that no matter how hard they work, they will not be able to get a promotion. So I think the most effective way to solve this problem is to establish a transparent promotion system. And this can make employees more concentrated because the transparency and openness of the company's operation can make employees' performance evaluation have a data to follow. And a healthy atmosphere of competition can be formed within the company. Because of the equal promotion promotion system, employees are willing to put more effort into their work. And at the same time, when the company's policy are transparent, employees may willing to learn from the high performing colleagues, so that can perform well too. Also, when employees with good performance are promoted, the company can continue to cultivate the outstanding employees. And in my opinion, guarantee some management position for domestic employees can also solve the company's current dilemma and ease the dissatisfaction of the employees. I think that ensuring some domestic employees to have the opportunity to take up the management position can promote local economic development, and the most important thing is that it can enhance the company's understanding of local needs. Also strengthen the company's human capital. And okay, although we have already mentioned about so many practical solutions for this company, we still think that the company should fix the problem step by step. Otherwise, it will bring more challenge to the company. Okay, this is the end of our presentation. Thanks for listening.